less water, well draining soil, good amount of light and low temperature are the tips to get success in succulent growing. Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Today I am going to talk about grow and care of moonstone. Pasiphytum oviferum, commonly known as moonstone. The word pasi is derived from Greek word pasi means thick and phytum means plant. So a plant having a thick leaf is called pasiphytum. Now oviferum is a Latin word. Ovi means egg and ferum means carrying. So it also deals with leaf only. This plant carries like egg-shaped leaf. Moonstone can be grown both in full and partial sunlight. If the temperature of the place does not go very high, you can keep it in full sunlight. If the temperature of the place is very high, keep this plant in a place where it gets 2 to 3 hours of morning sunlight and filtered afternoon sunlight. This plant does very well in full sunlight but not in high temperature. If you are growing this plant indoor, keep it in a window where it gets sun for a long time. Very less light results in leggy plant and the leaf gets faded. During very high temperature, heavy rain and during the frost, keep this plant indoor. Succulent does not need too much of water. The normal rule of watering is let the potting mixture dry completely before watering. Winter is the growing period of succulent. So during winter you need to water a little bit more. It does not mean that you have to water it frequently and make soil soggy. Do not overwater this plant, and at any point of time the potting mixture should not be soggy. Do not water on leaves. When you water on the leaves and it does not dry, usually leaves gets rot. It is always better to keep succulent underwater than to overwater. Use well draining soil. Use a soil that dries out very fast. Soil that retains water for long period of time is not good for moonstone. I have used 50% of leaf compost and 50% of sand. You can use 40% sand, 40% potting soil and 20% perlite also. If you want, you can buy succulent mix online also. Propagation is done from leaf cutting. Cut the young leaf, keep it in a dry place for some time, day or two, so that callus is formed, and you can place the leaf in sand or any draining potting mix. So after a few months, new plants will be formed. The plant also produces the babies. You can separate that babies. So here I can separate this and I'll get 2 plants from here. When you buy new plant, always check the soil and you can make new potting mixture and repot your plant. When the plant is overgrown, its present container, you can repot your plant. Repot during winter because winter is the growing period of this plant. I fertilize twice in a year, once in winter during its growing time and once in spring season with a liquid NPK. So far I have not seen any pest in this moonstone or any insect attack in this moonstone. The biggest problem out here is root rot. So in the beginning of video, as I told you, water less, give a good sunlight but temperature should be less, and always use well draining soil. Succulent growing is not that easy, but we gardener, we like to try new things and we like to keep on experimenting. So friend, you must get this beautiful succulent called Moonstone in your home. This is it for today. Keep planting, take care of yourself. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching HR Garden.